Nah, yeah, man, this little young MC AK-47, man. What did you just say this man's name was? Remember the dude that made that song you like called Free the Homies? Yeah, he got this new one called I Was There. All right, man, whatever. It's your beat, your artist. I get paid by the hour. Let's go, man. Yeah, I was in the trap with TJ when Marco gave him 4 bricks. Was in the car when they loaded it up to go down south. John made like 4 trips. Was in the club with Sean and Toothpick. Both of them had a gun on both sides. Eyewitness to the street life. I done seen it all with both eyes. All facts, no lies. Was in the streets with those guys. Mark of Blood, his brother a Crip. I done seen crimes on both sides. I was there when Doughboy Mac was cooking crack up at Paul House. Eric and Vaughn can tell you, I was there when they shot up Jamal House. Making this music, trying to get out these streets, they putting funds on my head. Shout out my producer, Brian, 2 gun charges on the run from the feds. And Blaze the engineer, he is savage, so don't get him started. He just got off of probation. I know he ready to catch a couple more charges. All right, stop. Whoa, stop. It was hot, right? It was hot. That was it right there. No, no, it was not. It was terrible. Stop. Just stop. I wasn't done though. Like I wasn't done. You're done. You're done. Hopefully forever. Man, what is this? Why would you do this? Why does he know I was on probation? What was you gonna tell me you had 2 gun charges? I mean, I ain't tell you because I ain't want nobody to know. Well, he was about to tell everybody on the song if you didn't notice. I'm about this the dude that made Free the Homies. He the reason the homies locked up. But I'm saying though, I had more on the paper. I wasn't done with the song. Get out. Get your mans. Both of y'all get out.